Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Vasar Chaudhary. Today's date is 11th October 2021 and today's topic name is string in Java. In this topic we will discuss what is string, what is the use of string and how to create the string object and example of string. Let's start. What is string? We know that Java is a object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming language, there is a primitive data type and non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, there are int, character, boolean, long, short, byte, float, double. And in non-primitive data type, there are class, object, array, string. In this non-primitive data type, we will be discussing string. So let's start the string. What is string in Java? String in Java is a basically object that represent the sequence of the character value. In Java, string class provide the lots of method to perform the operations on string, like equals to method, compare to method, length method, substring method, trim method, split method, etc. Let's discuss how to declare the string object. There are two ways to declare the string object. First one is by string literal and second one is by new keyword. Let's start with first one, by string literal. Let's declare the string. String s is equals to, in curly brackets, welcome. In this above example, there is only one object. First JVM will be checked. There in above example, there will be the string object with value welcome. If they in this example there is a string value object is not provided, so it will be create the new string object, and then JVM will be checked the string object with value welcome. So it is now it is declared as a string object. So it will be not create the new string object. It will be return the reference of the same instance. Why string literal is used in Java? Because of to make Java memory efficient, we will use the string literal, because it will not create the new object if it already exists in the string constant hole. So let's discuss the another one, by new keyword. Declare the string s is equals to new string in bracket welcome. So in this case, JVM will be directly created the new object string and return the reference of the string value. Let's discuss the methods provided in Java class that will be used to perform the specific operations on the string. Let's discuss the method. First one is character at, second one is length, next one is empty, next one is substring, next one is trim. Let's discuss this method one by one. First one is char at char in bracket int index. This method will be return the character value for specified index. Next one is substring. Substring in bracket. Let's discuss the next method, trim. Int trim. In this method, it will remove the spaces of the starting and ending of the string. Next we will discussing the substring. Substring it will be and in int beginning index, it will be return the substring for specified begin index. This is the methods to use to perform the operations on the string. Thank you.